gonna make soap today. So we've got 75 grams of white heat and pour soap base. We're gonna make honey and oatmeal soap. So we're gonna melt this in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds and we'll be back to pour it into the mold. Okay? So we've just melted the soap. Okay, now with the crushed oatmeal, what you need to do, we've got some rubbing alcohol in here. So let a grown-up do this. Just do 1, 2, 3 drops. Mix that for me, please. Okay, slowly. Right, lovely. Now stop. Put this. Right, you mix it and I'll put the oatmeal in there. Okay, mix. Now all the oatmeal is in there. We're going to get some honey. I'm going to pour the honey in. So I've got some more honey. So all these things you can find in your cupboard at home to make this. Okay. Now mix it together. In this mould, pour the soap into that one for me, please. No, in this one. Yeah, well done. Stop. Well done. The leftover one, put it in this one.
Stop.
It's already starting to harden. So just put in there. So now the soap takes 3 hours to settle. So we'll come back in 3 hours time and we'll see how the soap comes out to be, okay? So this is what the soap looks like. It's been 24 hours and we're going to get Samana to check it out. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, do you want to try it out then?
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't wash them. I didn't wash my hand. Look.
Yeah.
I had germs.
You have germs. Are you going to try it?
Yes.
Go on then, try it for me. Is it soft?
Yeah.
What does it smell of?
Nice.
You made it all by yourself, didn't you?
Yeah. I did this morning.
And is it like soap?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.